Therefore, you might have to transpose if you want to sound good with them and play with them to a different key. Or they have to transpose, one or the other. E-flat saxophone's in another key. So they have to transpose or you have to change. So it's very common that you have to change one or the other. So let me see if I can show you on the keyboard here. And I did bring a, yeah, maybe I do have. Let's see if I have a tuner. And all the keyboards are going to have what I'm talking about now. See if I can find a tuner here. Metronome, string tuner, probe tuner. Let's try probe tuner. Let's access the microphone. Yeah, I guess that's a good idea. Now see? Do, re, mi. Just going to find the key. Okay, get out your black book. Your black book. Now with the EZ 220 Yamaha, the black book that comes with it tells you, let's close these up for the time being, gives you all the instruction. So we're going to look up transpose. We've gone over in the past. Last week went over several things. What did we go over? Song and voices. Yes. And changing them by the numbers. Yeah. And then style. We went over these. Then we went over the learning session, the yes learning session, where it follows you by timing or by waiting. And then we went over part 1 and part 2. Hand 1, left hand. Right hand, left hand. So we've gone over all of that. We've gone over tempo change, how to change the tempo from 90 to 70, to slow it down for you. Okay? So now we're going to look up transpose, transposing. Transpose, page 30. Okay. Again, let me show you that on accordion so you know what we're going to do. Here's a song when, again, Red River Valley. Key of, I'm going to start on C, but this is in the key of F, but it's going to start the right finger, the numbering system, on 1. Transpose that to something else. So we're going to take it up to G. Okay? Now, this is actually in the key of C, but we're going to start on G, which is the 5th. No sharps. Okay, this had a flat. If we play it in G, again, first finger will be on the 5th, D. Sharp. That's an F sharp. Now, to do that on the keyboard, you don't have to do all that by memory. You can actually follow the instructions. So what's it say? Play the function key several times until transpose appears. You got it? transpose, okay? So transpose is there, okay? Use a number to set the transpose value over a range of -12 down 1 octave. So this is a chromatic scale, okay? Or to 12 up 1 octave. We said do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, okay? That is a diatonic scale, okay? Got it? An octave, 8 notes. But on a chromatic scale, you have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, but now you've got these black keys. So 2 and 3. C is always right next to that. So now, what we just did on the accordion, we started down here, playing it here. Okay? Now, if you keep your finger work exactly the same, like I had to change it on the accordion, keep your finger work exactly the same. Now you can count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're going to put up 8. So let's see if you need a plus.
Plus 8, 0,
No,
8.
keep going up. Yeah, that's it. Keep going plus.
Keep pushing.
2,
2, 8.
7, 8. There. Okay. Now, where is it?
You gonna play here?
No. No, I just want him to be able to see this. Let's go back again. We got. Okay. It's G now. I'm playing a C. Okay, but it's G sharp, so
Wow.
it's a little bit off. We didn't go over, we've gone over in the past, all instruments are set at A 440. Okay, no longer A because it's up. A, C sharp, E, it's up. Okay, A equals 440. Therefore, your guitar and all your instruments will be tuned to A equals 440. If not, they may be a little bit sharp or a little bit flat, which is what we're seeing here. Okay, now turn it off. Turn the keyboard off.
Turn it off?
Off. Okay, now turn it back on. Okay, now hit C. Now it's C. So you see what she did? So if you play like I did there, okay, it's playing in that key. If you transpose it again now. So,
Okay, function button.
right.
And,
Hit the function key.
Alter. Okay, yeah, that's there.
Wait, let's turn it off and start over.
Okay. Have to push it hard.
No, wait.
Turn
You shouldn't take that many push. Wait till it gets
the
okay.
function pulse.
Yeah.
Okay.
There you are. Okay,
And
now
plus.
take it up. How many did we say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So
8. Okay, now we'll be playing in a different key. We'll be playing the key of G. So it's no longer C, right? I'm so used to changing on my own, but anyway. No, I'm saying I'm used to changing my fingers when I demonstrate it. So, but anyway, what we've done is change the key. if you can transpose it back down. I don't know if we've done that or not. So
down.
transpose minus. Just take it right back on down to C. Now this thing should say C.
Yeah.
C plus. Okay, you can take it down. I don't know if you can take it half steps or not. Well, yeah, you can, because we're going up chromatically. Okay? So you can take it half steps. If it's a little bit off, you can bring it down or up as you want. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, so
I
let's
don't
go
have
over
to do that if I pray by myself, right?
Pardon?
I don't have to do this, if I pray by myself, right? I need this
Well,
to
no.
pray somebody else, right?
Yeah, unless you want to play in a different key. If you're playing by yourself, for example, if you're playing by yourself and you're male, for example, okay, and you've got in a high key, then even if you're playing by yourself, if you want to sing with it, and it's not in a key you can sing in, then yes, you do have to change it. So when you say yourself, are you going to play it just for playing, or are you going to play it for singing? Your voice range only has a certain range, so you might not be able to play it in the key that it is in the music book. Okay? Okay. So we've gone through theory, right? We've gone through new songs, which is what you should do in every practice session. You should do theory first. Anything. Doesn't matter if we do, what we did today was scale, okay? Diatonic scale. Then we did block chords, took them up, and we did thirds. Okay. Next thing is a new song. So the new song that we learned is what? Hokey Pokey, a song for dancing. Okay. Then the old song that we're working on is When the Saints Go March Again. Those are two chord, 5-finger songs. So we've worked on just these 5 fingers to play it. And then you should work on old songs. And then last but not least should be what we call fractures. There's certain places that your fingers just don't do what you want them to do. And you've got to train your fingers to do what you want them to do. Okay? So, play something old.
Something old?
Do, at least some old song. Just like you did when we started. Do, at least Mary
I
Harrison.
don't know, I have all.
Okay. And again, keep playing your old songs over and over, so that by Christmas, for example, you will know, if you learn a song a week or a song a month, you will know a decent number of songs. That's how a musician can play 1,000 songs. He keeps playing it over and over and over. And then he keeps adding songs to it, like we're doing here. Okay. And this is what I need to give you if I brought it. I might not have brought it.
You guys making it okay in here, Dr. Cobb? You making it okay?
Good
Thanks,
fire.
Doctor.
Yeah.
We have to adjust sometimes.
Okay, thanks.
This is where we have to.
Okay, ready?
I haven't played this one for a while. It's like, or, when you pray, like a week, so your fingering's good, but you don't pray, you just study new.
Right.
It's horrible. Wait a minute. Am I doing right?
Yeah.
Oh no. See, I haven't prayed for a long time, I forgot.
this is the book I need to get you, you don't have, but that's our beginner's book for music theory. It's got all the scales in it, the stuff you need to work on as you move forward in the chords. And then we had some of these earlier songs, but these were like 6 or 8 months ago for the class per se. So anyway, okay.
Okay, I'll practice this one.
Yeah. Okay, we're done. So again, we'll be here next Friday, same time, same place.